Dear students, today we have to see the derivation for drift velocity of free electrons in a conductor, and second derivation is relation between the current and drift velocity. These two derivations are very important as far as your annual exams are concerned. They will be asked for 3 marks. Now, for the first derivation, what is the derive the expression for drift velocity also he may ask in the exam, or he may ask like this: Vd is equal to minus EE tau by m. Out of these two, any one way he may ask. So already we have studied what is drift velocity, what is relaxation time, what is electric field, what is potential difference. So same thing again we have to revise here. Using those concepts, we have to derive this relation. So first of all, you have to consider that there is a wire. Consider that L is the length of the wire. To this length of the wire, a battery is connected. To one end, positive terminal is connected, and to the another end, negative terminal is connected. Positive and negative terminals, when they are connected to this particular wire, they will set up the electric field inside the wire. As soon as the electric field is set up, the electrons which are present, they will start moving in a particular direction. They will get a drifted velocity. They will get the drift velocity, and they will start drifting from negative terminal towards the positive terminal. This theory we have already seen. So from this figure, what we will write? Consider a wire of length L connected to a potential V as shown in above figure. Then let m be the mass of the electron, minus E be the charge on the electron, capital E be the field, electric field set up in the conductor, Vd be the drift velocity of the electrons, A, small a, be the acceleration of the electrons, tau be the relaxation time of the electrons, U, small u, be the initial velocity of the electrons. These are the assumptions which we have done for the case of conductor when it is connected to a potential difference V. मीन्स वायर है, इस वायर को हमने क्या किया है, बैटरी से कनेक्ट कर दिया, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल और नेगेटिव टर्मिनल. जैसे ही हम बैटरी से कनेक्ट करेंगे, इस वायर के अंदर क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेटअप हो जाएगा. जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेटअप होगा, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्री मूविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, दे विल गेट ए ड्रिफ्टेड अपोजिट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इस डायरेक्शन में है, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहाँ पर किस डायरेक्शन से स्टार्ट होंगे, नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल में जाना, मूव होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. क्लियर? सो वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड ईच एंड एवरी टर्म. व्हाट इज एम, व्हाट इज minus E, what is capital E, what is Vd, what is A, what is tau, what is U. All this we have explained. Now we know that there is a force experienced by free electrons in the wire due to the electric field. So that force is given by what? F is equal to minus of E into capital E. Minus E क्या है? It is the charge. E क्या है? Electric field. So negative sign shows that force and electric field are in opposite to each other. Negative sign क्या बता रहा है अपने को कि electric force and the electric field, they are in opposite to each other. Further, when the electron is experiencing a force, they will start move. So when they will get move, there will be a acceleration produced. When the acceleration is produced, the acceleration produced in the electron is given by F is equal to ma. This formula we know. So A is equal to F by ma. F, from the equation already we know F is equal to minus EE. Substituting the value of F in this equation, we'll get A is equal to minus EE by M. So this is the acceleration produced by the electron. Now further we know, since the electrons are moving in a straight line, or we can say there is a motion of the electron in the straight line. So in the first year we have derived this relation V is equal to U plus AT. This is the equation of motion of the particle. So if we are considering that electric field is before the absence of electric field, what will happen to the electrons? Initial velocity will be 0, final velocity will become Vd, and small t is equal to capital tau. Small t is equal to tau. So t is equal to tau. Tau means what? Relaxation time. V is equal to what? Drift velocity. And u is equal to what? 0. So what we'll do? We will substitute the value of u, v and t in equation number 3. So when you substitute the value of u, v and t in equation 3, what we will get? Vd is equal to 0 plus a into tau. U will become u is 0 is the initial velocity. A into tau. So what is the value of A? A value from the equation number 2. What is the value of A? Minus EE by M. A is equal to minus EE by M. This value of A we will substitute in the equation. So what will get? Vd is equal to minus EE tau by M. So this is the drift velocity. So drift velocity of the electron is given by minus E tau by M. Tau is what? Relaxation time. Capital E means what? Electric field. Small e means what? Charge on the electron. M means what? Mass of the electron. So what the negative sign indicates? Negative sign indicates that the direction of Vd and E are opposite as shown in the figure. So as in the assumption we have taken, earlier we have explained that yesterday only when we were considering about the drift velocity, we have seen that the drift velocity and electric field are in opposite direction. So once again you see this, as soon as the potential is applied to this wire, electric field is set up. Electric field will set up from which to which direction? From positive direction towards the negative direction. But what has happened? This drift velocity of the electron will be there in which direction? From negative terminal to positive terminal. So with this what we conclude? That electric field and drift velocity are in opposite direction to each other. Means electric field will be opposite direction to the drift velocity. So this derivation, that is Vd is equal to minus of EE tau by M, what it indicates? The drift velocity is equal to, means drift velocity depends on what factors? It is directly depending on what? Charge on the electron, electric field setup and relaxation time, and it is inversely proportional to the mass of the electron. So from this what we concluded from this relation, that how much potential difference is there, depending upon that only electric field will be set up, and how much electric field is set up, depending upon that drift velocity will be same. So with this relation, we came to know that electric field and drift velocity are in opposite direction, or we can say that they are directly proportional. If electric field is more, drift velocity will be more. If electric field is less, drift velocity will be less. So, but one more thing we have to understand, that this drift velocity is inversely proportional to the mass of the electron. So this derivation is completed. This derivation will be asked for 3 marks. So once again I will revise this question derivation fastly. So in this derivation, or any derivation in physics, you have to first of all draw the figure correctly. And when we are drawing the figure, you must be in a position to give the direction correctly. If directions are not given correctly, then you will not get the marks. Here, as the positive potential and negative potential is given in this figure, this indicates what? Current is induced in this particular case. E will be in this conductor from which to which direction? From positive potential towards the negative potential. And electron will have the drift velocity from which to which direction? From negative terminal towards the positive terminal. So this diagram you have to draw. And if I say that the total length of the wire is L, so this diagram, everybody has to keep note that diagram has to be clear, and in that diagram the direction of current, direction of electric field and direction of drift velocity is to be mentioned properly. So if these two things are mentioned properly, then only you will get the correct full marks for this. If directions are not given, then you will not get the marks. Okay, straight away the evaluator can cancel the whole marks from this. So first of all you must draw the figure. After the figure you have to write the description. In the description there is no necessity that you have to write in this particular manner only. You can write in your own words, but still whatever the notes I have given, these notes are clearly simple English type notes are there, so that you can just read this and you can understand this. तो क्या किया इसके अंदर हमने लिख लिया पहले, कंसिडर ए वायर ऑफ लेंथ L and to this particular wire a battery is connected, and because of that a potential is given to this wire as shown in the above figure. फिर उसके बाद क्या बताया, let m be the mass of the electron, minus E be the charge of the electron, E be the field setup in the conductor, Vd be the drift velocity of the electrons, A be the acceleration of the electrons, tau, this tau be the relaxation time of the electron, U be the initial velocity of the electrons. These considerations you have to write as it is. Then the force experienced by free electrons in the wire in electric field is given by F is equal to minus of E into E. Negative sign shows that direction of force and electric field are in opposite direction to each other. Then acceleration produced by the electron is given by A is equal to F by M. Substituting the value of F, we will get A is equal to minus EE by M. Give this as what equation number 2. Then we know that V is equal to U plus AT. This gives us equation number 3. So after this, you have to consider that initial velocity U is equal to 0 and final velocity V is equal to Vd, and time is represented by tau. Substituting these three values in equation 3, we will get Vd is equal to A into tau. So substitute the value of A is equal to what? Minus of EE by M into tau. So A value already we know from equation 2 we're getting the A value. So negative sign indicates that the direction of VD and E are opposite as shown in the above figure. So ये डेरिवेशन अभी खत्म हुआ, तो आज के आज ये कंप्लीट कर लेना है. नेक्स्ट डेरिवेशन में, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे दूसरा डेरिवेशन.